In this lecture, we have given a question that if x is equal to uv, y equal to u by v, then find the Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. We have given that x is equal to uv and y is equal to u by v. Let us give it equation number 1 and 2. So clearly here x and y are dependent variable and u and v are independent variable. Then we have to find the value of Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. But we know that the Jacobian now here we want to find out the Jacobian of uv with respect to xy, but here in equation number 1 and 2, we have given x and y are dependent variable and u and v are independent variable. So now we have two methods. The method number 1 is what? Either we can write down this u and v in terms of x and y, and then we find out the Jacobian of uv with respect to xy, or what we can do, we can also apply the formula j dash is equal to 1, where j is equal to Jacobian of xy with respect to uv. If we know what is the value of j, then we transpose this to this side, and then we are able to get what is the value of Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. So let us try to find out the Jacobian of xy with respect to uv, which can be given as the determinant of partial derivative of x with respect to u, del x del v, del y del u, and del y del v. Now, differentiating 1 and 2 partially with respect to u and v respectively, we have del x del u is v, del x del v is u, del y del u is 1 upon v, and del y del v, which is equal to minus u upon v square. Because what is the derivative of 1 upon y? It is, or 1 upon x, it is minus 1 upon x square. So here instead of uh, x, we have 1 upon v. So derivative of 1 upon v is minus 1 upon v square, and u can be taken as constant. Now we have to substitute all these values in equation number 3. We have j is equal to Jacobian of xy with respect to uv, which is given as determinant of del x del u, del x del v, del y del u, del y del v. Now the value of del x del u is v, del x del v is u, del y del u is 1 upon v, and del y del v is minus u upon v square. Let us simplify this Jacobian determinant. So now we have to multiply class multiplication. This into this minus this into this. So v into minus u upon v square and minus of u into 1 upon v. Now just look here, 1 v will cancel over here, v and 1 v cancel. So this is minus u by v. The first term is minus u by v, and second term is also minus u by v. So we have Jacobian of xy with respect to uv is equal to minus 2u upon v. Now this is not our answer. We have to obtain the Jacobian of uv with respect to xy. So now, since j dash is equal to Jacobian of uv with respect to xy, which is nothing but 1 upon j, where j is the Jacobian of xy with respect to uv. So let us put its value 1 upon, what is the value of Jacobian of xy with respect to uv? It is minus 2u upon v, and then this v goes to numerator, it will become minus v upon 2u. Hence, the Jacobian of uv with respect to xy is equal to minus v upon 2u. This is the desired Jacobian of the given functions. Thank you.